harvest time here on the farm. We're out here cutting beans. We got all our corn done a couple weeks ago, so we switched over to beans, and we've had, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 solid days of cutting, and maybe halfway done with the first round of beans. And we're taking these to the bin. They're still a little wet. We're going to put them in the bin and run the fans and try to dry them down to take to town. So it's been a long day, but we got just a little bit left, and we'll wrap up for the day. It's starting to get a little dark, and we're still running. We won't be able to run a whole lot longer most nights. Cutting beans is a little different than shelling corn. You can shell corn pretty much all night if you so desired, because of the way that the head for the corn is designed and the way it pulls it into the machine, and then it comes off the cob a lot easier. With a platform where you have to cut the beans with a sickle, and then they have to feed in to the feeder house, the front of the combine, with an auger that crosses the platform. As they get wet, they just want to lay there and bunch up and don't want to feed in, and then if they go in big wads, you can really have a problem. So depending on the night, but I can feel the night air starting to move in, so I would say we've probably got another half hour, maybe 45 minutes, and this one here is about a wrap.